Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of something kind of fun. It's an external USB 7.1 surround sound with double headphone and mic jack. Stick around, it's happening right now. Okay, these things worked amazing.
I can tell you meant that.
As you can see right here, USB 2.0. It's a 3D virtual audio sound card converter, 7.1 channel surround sound with 2 headphones, 2 mics. It's free on geek.com.
I have you now.
Standard shipping, $3 for shipping.
Yep.
Not bad at all. 2 jacks so you can have 2 people at the same time talking and listening in 7.1 surround sound. Definitely a good buy. I mean, for $3, why not? Give it a shot. See if you like the improved quality. Some people will, some people won't. But for $3 you can't really pass that up. I mean, it's a good deal.
All right, fine.
Okay, let's go over some stats. It says there's no drivers required for this. It's just plug and play for instant audio replay playback. It adds a virtual 7.1 channel sound to your PC or laptop. Turns your stereo speakers or earphones into 7.1 channel environment. USB 2.0, 12 megabytes a second.
I want more.
It's audio device class specification 1.0. It has an external USB sound card inside of it.
The Force will be with you.
Definitely a good deal. I mean, why not? $3.
Don't think.
We used the single version of this, and the sound was incredible. Yeah, $3 all day, every day. It's worth it. Especially if you're doing like a podcast or something and there's 2 people going to be talking. Yeah, it's a great way for you guys to talk and hear each other actually very well. The sound quality is really, really good, especially USB 2.0 or higher. Yeah, give it a shot. $3. Yeah, bringing you the best budget tech I can. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It helps us out. We'll be back again soon with more good tech deals and free games. See you soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.